Hi Libra, this is Chloe from the Galactic Soul coming to you. Oh my gosh, so many things are already flying out. Coming to you with your love reading for February, but also if you find this at another time, totally fine. This is meant for you. So we are going to do a love reading today, and we're going to see what pops out. There's a lot already. Let's see what those have to do. So it was this, and this. Let's see what's going on. Libra, we have the Three of Wands, the Death card, Knight of Swords, the Lover, Ace of Pentacles, and Temperance. All right, so the Three of Wands is very much watching your ships roll in. So you have been working really, really hard, Libra. You've already been through it and you're over it. You're looking at a lot of different opportunities because you just need change, and you're welcoming it and you're allowing it to come into your life. You do have passions, and those are firm in the ground. The Three of Wands is very much, I know that there's something more. So welcome it in. Welcome it in, Libra. Welcome in the ships, because it's gonna get crazy from here, all right? So we have that. Then the Death card. Death card is about transformation, complete. And I think this is you after you went through everything that you've been through. It's very much death of old me, death of old relationships. I'm starting fresh. I'm starting brand spanking new. And I'm not wasting any time. And you're not wasting any time, because we do have the Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords is very much about action. It's about going for it. There's a lot of new ideas, a lot of new logical situations that may pop up, a lot of new opportunity, but it's fast. It is fast action. It's happening. It's real. It's here. There's literally zero wait. You literally decided and you turned the page and it was like, chapter 73, and I don't know why I said 73, but look it up, see if it resonates. But it's like you literally turn the page to the new chapter and it's already an action scene. That's how fast we're moving here. You made that decision to move on, and bam, it's already there. So we have the Lover's card. The Lover's card, a lot of people are like, oh, it's the soulmate card. I don't know why my southern accent came out there, but the Lovers is very much a sign of needing to balance your feminine and your masculine. So as of right now, this is a very self-love reading. I don't really see a romantic situation happening, but if there was a romantic situation, I feel like it is definitely finding the balance between the two of you and figuring out what your love languages are. But because of all of this action, I really feel like this is a you thing where you are learning how to self-love. You are balancing your masculine and your feminine, and it is pretty difficult. There is a mountain in between the two beings on this card, but the higher angel, the higher self, is really pronounced in this card as well, and it is coming down in divine timing to let you know that you need to balance these in order to move forward, in order to be successful in this fast-moving chapter of your life. I do see Ace of Pentacles. So Ace of Pentacles, new job, new something. Hi friends, just wanted to put a shameless plug in here about my free ebook available on my website, thegalacticsoul.com. It's super easy, and you go to the website, you click the first button that says free ebook, and then you enter all of your information, and bam, the free ebook is right in your inbox. The ebook goes over the basics of mediumship, how to start your journey connecting to the other side, and much, much more. Again, you can go to the website, thegalacticsoul.com, or you can click the link in the pinned comment below for more info. Now, back to the reading. If it's a new person coming in, they might have a really good job, or they have a lot of materialistic things, or they want to give you these materialistic things, right? Again, I think this is a self-love reading, so take it as it resonates. However, this pentacle is huge. This is divine timing. This is yours. You deserve it. It is hot off the press. So there are going to be tribulations. There is mountains in the background, so that's usually a little bit of difficulty. However, I do think that it's going to be a little bit easier as time goes on. And then we have Temperance. Temperance for me is really taking what you're given and making the best out of it. Like alchemize the energy where like, okay, this is going to be really, really difficult. So whether somebody is in your life and they are causing you strife, what are you learning? What are you learning from this situation? It's not like, oh, why are they doing that to me? It's more of, hey, why is this happening? Why do I feel this way? And how can I move forward without judgment? So Temperance, it's very much alchemizing. It's very much taking the energy from one specific situation and using it as a positive thing going into the future. So let's pick a few more cards if Spirit allows. This is for Libra Spirit. If you can just give me as many. Ooh. So different situation. So I think that was about self. So we have, all right. So there was a situation. There was a love situation. But you are now focusing on yourself, which is fantastic. You should totally do that. But there was a situation where the foundation was just crumbled. Actually, there really wasn't any foundation to begin with. And that's why it really didn't progress. You guys didn't progress in this relationship. You thought they were the 10 of Cups. You wanted to be stable. However, there was something missing there, and you couldn't be fully vulnerable with this other person because you needed to do some healing. And now you have that time to heal because we have the Empress showing up. Empress is nurturing, motherhood, all of that, but it's more of like the energy of mothering yourself. Wow. So that's deep. That's deep. You have to mother yourself. You're nurturing yourself. Libra, take the time. It's so, so important. Let's see what the Oracle has to say about relationships in this time. Oh my God, that flew out quick. So this is why. So this past person, you just felt like there was something there. There wasn't a foundation or anything, but you just felt like there was a connection there. It's because it was a past life relationship. You have known each other before. So it is a past life relationship. Here, I don't know if it's going to focus. I don't know. But past life relationships. So that's why you felt that comfortable with this being. And there were a lot of romantic feelings exchanged. However, you knew that you couldn't fully give yourself because you didn't know yourself. So that's why it was so difficult to really get on that vulnerable level because you weren't 100% sure who you were. Libra, now is the time to figure it out. Go out there, do things. Go out and experience the world that you should have. And with that, the right person will come along. I hope this resonated, Libra. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below. I really love to hear from you guys. And definitely hit subscribe because I do tarot readings, I talk about the universe, and a lot of crazy stuff. So definitely stick around, and I will talk to you on the next one. Signing off.